If you are a game developer, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your stimulation game developer business. If you are a game developer, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding feedbacks, updates and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will let you know how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for stimulation game developer by using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web. And over here, I will type a key message, for example, hey. As you can see, I got a respond reply which welcomed me to Pabbly Games. And with that, I got 3 action buttons. Let's say I want to see about game release. I will click on that. I got a reply which tell me about releasing date, platform and upcoming updates. With that, they have given me an action button which says menu. As soon as I have clicked on menu, I got a reply with our initial message. Now this time I will select share feedback. I want to share feedback on their games. For that, I need to enter game name, my like, dislike, bugs or suggestion and which device I am using. I will enter details. And as soon as I have entered my details, I got a reply that they have received my feedback and they truly appreciate about it. With that, they have given me an action button which says talk to team. After clicking on this action button, they responded that their team member will contact me as soon as possible. With that, they have given me their call details and email address. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to build this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and type pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you have searched this, you will be landed on pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free, but as I am existing user, I will click on sign in. You will be redirected to the dashboard. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place without opening WhatsApp separately. To add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on add WhatsApp number which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, business account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Okay, not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. Below that, there is a contact section where you can create new contacts and separate according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and also review their performances. After that, there is a template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chart. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. Next, there is Flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. After that, there is AI assistant, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Okay, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be landed on flow builder page. Over here, to create a new flow, you need to click on top right corner on the add flow button. As soon as you clicked on that button, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you can see a window is open named by flow start. Inside this, there are keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chart. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Okay, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As we are making this chatbot for game developer, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for stimulation game develop. After giving meaningful name, I will start building this flow. For that, I will give regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. After giving regex, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I will drag and drop media button over here and connect with my flow start. That means as soon as my customer enter a message, a welcome message with media will be delivered to them. Here I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I will enter my welcome message. For that, I will click on add content button and select the text button here. Under this, I'm going to enter my welcome message which says, "Welcome to Pabbly Games, the mind behind immersive sim world and gamer's dream." With that, I'm going to add few action button. To add action button, I will click add button option and enter my text, game release, share feedback, get tech support. After giving action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. For that, let's start with game release. I will drag and drop and select the text button over here. Here I'm going to enter message for game release, something like this, where I have mentioned every single detail about our upcoming games. After that, I will add two action button over here by clicking on add button option, menu and get tech support. After completing first action button, let's move to next, which is share feedback. For that, I have to ask my customer few questions, and to ask question, I need to drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my action button. Over here, I'm going to enter my message for which game they want to give feedback and their views. After that, I'm going to select contact custom field as feedbacks and my format as any. Now you must be wondering from where we can add our contact custom field. For that, you need to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is saved. After that, come with me to settings section, and over here you can see an option is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you clicked on this, you will be landed on this page. Over here you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field over here. Now I will resume back to my flow. As soon as my customer enter their feedback, I will send them a thank you message. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop and select the text button. Here, I'm going to write a message which says, "Thanks, Commander. Your feedback has been logged into our Dev Matrix. If selected, you will receive early access to our beta build. We truly appreciate your help making Pabbly Game legendary." As you can see, I have put few message between stars. That means I want to highlight these message. With that, I'm going to enter two action button, menu and get tech support. Now, after completing our second action button, we will move to our third action button, which is get tech support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop and select the text button over here and enter my message that our team will contact them. And with that, I have provided our call details and email address. Now, I'm going to connect our every get tech support button with this message, something like this. And I'm going to connect our menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on menu button, they will receive initial message again. As you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for simulation game developer. After that, don't forget to activate your flow and save it. As soon as I have clicked on save, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.